As we grow older, our bodies become wiser, but also more sensitive. Foods that were once easy to digest can suddenly cause discomfort, bloating, or stomach. If you or a loved one is over 60, choosing the right soft and gentle foods can make a huge difference in digestion, energy, and overall. Today we'll share the best, soft, healthy foods for elderly, especially for aging tummies that need extra care. Stay with us till the end. Your stomach will thank you. Why soft foods matter for seniors. As we age, digestion slows down. Chewing can become difficult, stomach acid decreases, and the gut becomes more sensitive. Soft foods help because they are easier to chew and swallow, reduce stomach irritation, improve nutrient absorption, lower the risk of constipation and acid reflux. Eating gently doesn't mean eating boring, it means eating smart. 1. Oatmeal, gentle morning hero. Oatmeal is one of the best soft foods for seniors. It's warm, soothing, and easy on the stomach. Oatmeal supports digestion, helps lower cholesterol, and keeps blood sugar stable. For extra nutrition, you can add mashed banana, soft berries, a little honey, or cinnamon. Avoid adding too much sugar. 2. Mashed potatoes. Comfort with nutrition. Mashed potatoes are soft, filling, and easy to digest. They provide energy, potassium, vitamin C. For better health, use olive oil or a small amount of butter instead of heavy cream. Make sure they are smooth, not lumpy. 3. Scrambled eggs. Soft protein power eggs are one of the best protein sources for elderly. Scrambled eggs are easy to chew, gentle on the stomach, great for muscle strength. Cook them softly, not dry, and avoid too much oil. 4. Yogurt. Gut-friendly and smooth. Plain yogurt is excellent for aging tummies. It contains probiotics that help digestion and reduce bloating. Choose plain or low-sugar yogurt, Greek yogurt for extra protein. Avoid flavored yogurts with added sugar. 5. Soups and broths. Healing from the inside. Warm soups are perfect for seniors. Chicken soup, vegetable soup, or bone broth helps with hydration, digestion, weak appetite. Make sure vegetables are well cooked and soft. 6. Soft fruits. Nature's gentle sweetness. Some fruits are naturally soft and easy to digest. Best choices include bananas, applesauce, stewed pears, avocado. These fruits provide vitamins without upsetting the stomach. 7. Steamed vegetables. Easy and nutritious, raw vegetables can be hard on elderly digestion. Instead, choose steamed vegetables like carrots, zucchini, spinach, pumpkin. Cook until soft but not mushy. 8. Cottage cheese. Light and filling, cottage cheese is soft and gentle. It provides calcium and protein without being heavy. Great for seniors who need bone support. 9. Rice and soft grains. White rice, soft brown rice, or well-cooked quinoa are easy on the stomach. They help calm digestion and provide steady energy. Foods seniors should avoid. To protect aging tummies, avoid fried foods, spicy foods, hard nuts, tough meats, sugary desserts. These can cause gas, heartburn, and discomfort. Final thoughts. Eating soft and healthy foods isn't about restriction. It's about comfort, strength, and peace of mind. Small changes in diet can improve digestion, energy, and overall quality of life after 60. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more senior health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and take gentle care of your body.